the value of the line integral over a closed curve C, f vector dot r dash vector ds, where C is the circle of radius 4 by root pi units, and f vector is a function of x and y and given by y I cap plus 2x j cap, and r dash is the unit tangent vector on the curve C at an arc length s from a reference point on the curve. I and j are the basic vectors in the xy Cartesian reference. In evaluating the line integral, the curve has to be transversed in the counterclockwise direction. So this integral can be evaluated very easily using Green's theorem. Let's understand what is Green's theorem. In vector calculus, Green's theorem relates line integral around a simple closed curve C, which is composed here of C1, C2, C3 and C4, to a double integral over the plane region D. So this is the region that we are getting from this closed contour, from these closed curves C, okay, which is C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. And Green's theorem is a two-dimensional special case of Stokes' theorem. Okay, so let's write here. So according to the Green's theorem, if C is a positive oriented curve in a plane, and if D is the region bounded by this curve C, then if L and M are functions of x and y, M is also function of x and y, defined on an open region D and having continuous partial derivative, then we can write integral, closed integral over the curve C, L dx plus M dy is equal to the surface integral over the surface D, partial derivative of M with respect to x minus partial derivative of n with respect to y into dx dy. And C here is taken in counterclockwise direction. That means it is positive. Okay, so we take counterclockwise direction as positive. Now according to the problem, this closed path is a circle whose radius is 4 by root pi unit. So let's draw a separate diagram for this. Now according to the problem, C is a circle taken counterclockwise direction with a radius of 4 by root pi. Now any point on the circle can be represented in terms of the polar coordinate as well as in the Cartesian coordinate. Therefore from here we can write r vector is equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap, where I and j are the unit vectors in x and y direction respectively, and r is in polar coordinate system. Okay, that is the radius of circle, and from polar relation we know that r vector into ds is equal to dr vector. This is dr vector actually. So the line integral that we need to calculate is f vector dot r ds on curve C, that is the circle. So this we can write as integral over the surface C, f vector dot dr vector. Okay, so f vector in the problem is given. Let's write here f vector is equal to y I cap plus 2x j cap. Okay, it is given in the problem. So from here let's write this line integral. This will be equal to integral over the circle y I cap plus 2x j cap. Now dr vector, that is dot dx I cap plus dy j cap. So this will be equal to integral over the circle y dx plus 2x dy. Okay, now let this be equation number 1, and this Green's theorem, let this be equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, let's write here using Green's theorem. We can write equation number 1 as, so equation number 1 we can write here in the left hand side y dx plus 2y dy. This will be equal to the surface integral over the surface A, which is circle in this case. So this area here, the shaded area is A, as already explained in the green theorem. So we can write it as dou by dou x of n, which is 2x, minus dou by dou y of m, which is y in this case, into dx dy. So this integral we can write as, this derivative will be 2 minus 1, and the integral dx dy over the circle C of area A, right? So we can write this as 2 minus 1 is 1, and this integral will be the area of the circle. So this will be pi into r square. R is 4 by root pi whole square. So this will be equal to pi into 16 by pi, which is equal to 16. Let's go back to the problem. So using Green's theorem, we have evaluated this line integral and the value is 16. For more information, you can refer to the NPTEL course, lecture number 56, Green's theorem and examples on integral and vector calculus by Professor Hari S. Mahato of the Department of Mathematics at IIT Kharagpur.